Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. Thank everyone who's subscribed so far, and today I'm back with a quick DIY. As many of you know, I'm really into crystal healing. I believe in it. It works for me. So anyway, I buy my own crystal bracelets, healing based bracelets. I buy these off Etsy mostly. Well, in fact, my mum bought me this one. I bought this one. But I thought they're really easy. It's just a piece of string, beads and crystals. So I thought today I would come to you and show you how to make one. This is my first time making it too, so really you're just going to make one with me. So what you need to do is if you want it for something, so for instance this one is for happiness. If you want it for something like that, you just need to Google happiness crystal here, like crystal healing beads for crystals for healing happiness. Does that even make sense? So you basically want the crystals so you are happy. So I did one I googled crystals to relieve stress and restore your sense of calm. Now there's quite a lot of stressful things. Work's quite stressful because we're just changing things around, and we also got to present to the director on Friday, and then like stuff in life as well is a bit stressful. There's a lot going on, so I just googled them, and so I came up with the beads. So I brought the beads, the crystals. So the first one was this one. And this is blue lace agate. I'm sorry if I'm saying these wrong, but that is what that is. So you need one of them. Obviously this is a longer string, so you can make many out of them, and of course I will try and sell these as well. You need one of them. Then you need this one, which I cannot say to save my life, but this is amethyst. I can't say it. I'm not it's just this is really helpful for stress relief. So that's that. Again, you need one of them. Then you need rose quartz, which is this. One of them. Clear quartz, which came on a reel of others with others as well that aren't clear. That's black topaz. This is clear quartz. Yeah, this is clear quartz. So I'll pick the clearest one, which is probably that one. And then I needed black topaz, and this again came on a reel with others in it, or of topaz anyway. So again, I'll just use the blackest one. Not that it will matter, like which one you use. That is all of them. And then I just brought the twine, the string. I'm gonna show you that. And then obviously I jewellery make anyway, so I've brought my scissors. I've brought clear beads, like smaller beads that are in here I believe. If not, they're in the cupboard, so I'll just get them out when I need them to make this bracelet. That's all you need. Hands or ability to make this, and off you go. So we'll come, you might want to come down for this. I talk to you like that because you're on the windowsill, by the way. Do we want light on? Ow. And I literally have half an hour before Kate arrives. Okay, so we're going to pick off one of these beads on each. Okay, so these are my 5 beads. Oh my god, taking that pink quartz off the pink string is crazy. Okay, so this is my bit of thread. And it is really long because you end up cutting a million pieces off. So what I'm going to do is just thread all these crystals on one end or either end, whatever lets you do it. Okay, then when they're all in the middle, like so, you can then tie it off next to them. So just make a loop and tie a knot so they don't like roll about, if that makes sense. And then a loop again the other side, and then tie the knot like that. They look really cute actually. Then all you need to do is work out how big this is around your wrist. So it's like that, and that is what they look like normally. And then, so for me, I've got so much length left that, but I'm going to keep that for now. And then what you need to do is cut another piece of thread. So leave that like that. Okay, this is where it may get tricky, or like the hardest part. So you want to put your bracelet on your wrist like so, and then you take the ends. So how am I going to show you this? So have the beads on the table or your flat surface, and then link this round like it would be a bracelet, and keep that together in the middle. Then with a separate piece of thread, you want to take the thread, wrap it under, pull it through. You should probably need about 20 centimeters, but I've gone cray. Okay, then you make a loop over that bit, so you've put your thread through, you then make a loop, and then you pull the bit where you've made the loop through and under, and then tighten it. I'm trying to do this whilst camera and everything is a bit scary. Right, like so, and then you do it the other side. So put that one down, make the loop the other side, and then through and pull it tight. Not too tight, but tight. Okay, I'll just show you what it's meant to do. So then you get this, then you put this on your wrist, and then you can pull that easily, it stays secure. That's what it does. So I'll just do that now, and I'll be back once I've done a good enough strip, which is like something like that. I thought I'd just come on and show you that I've found an easier way to do it. So I put the bracelet on my wrist, and then it kind of holds it in place, rather than all being fingers and hands. And then you just, it's easier, just alternate between the top and the bottom of the bracelet, and then you can tighten it all the time. So just use the shorter bits which will be staying on the bracelet, and then you just tighten it. It's so easier this way. I wish I'd done this from the beginning. And there you go, that's all I'm gonna do. Now you just want to pull it tight just for now so it's on there, and then using your scissors, you might want to even use a lighter and burn the edges. But for now I'm just going to cut it so they're gone. And then with this, obviously this is crazy long now. Yeah, we definitely need to burn it. It's crazy long now, so I'm just going to cut it a little bit. And then take this off. That's why you need to burn the edges, because you can see they've come off there. But I don't have a lighter at the moment, so I would do that. You can also use glue. Then with your ends, just tie them in knots again. You can, and then you'll have to burn the ends. I'll have to do that later when I have I'm near a lighter. So it works the same. When you pull it off, you just loosen it and it stretches, and then you can put it back on your wrist, and then you just pull it, and there it is. And then you've got the strings that are longer, and that's fine because they all do that anyway. But there it is. And I can't wait to wear this daily. I might actually do it as a choker because I think it would look cute as like a choker if you did like 3 lots of beads and then have that on your neck. I don't know, I think that would look cute. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do you believe in crystal healing, or would you like to? It does work, you just need to believe in it. Because I have crystals all around me, wear them every day, have them in my bag, have them in my bedroom, and it does work. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.